So this is going to be your reading for the month of July. All right, so look, all right. So Leo, you know I'm seeing this two ways. So one, I feel like Spirit is saying they want you to keep an open mind because there's somebody coming in and they want you to give this person a chance. Now, this could be somebody new. It could have been somebody that you met in past and you might have talked to for a little bit, but it never really went anywhere. But I'm seeing it's like Spirit is saying, hey, give this person a chance because this could be the person that you end up marrying. Now, with codependency, when it comes to you guys, these could be like addictions. This could be like you overthinking things, fear, something that you have to get over, childhood trauma. I mean, it could be anything. So they're wanting you to continue healing. But then when this person comes in, go slow. But, you know, they're saying, hey, give them a chance because you may be surprised. This person that you may have never thought about talking to or giving that type of chance, whether it's like friends that y'all been friends for years and then boom, look what's happening. You know, it's like this could be the blessing in disguise. So, yeah, they want you just to, hey, go slow, give them a chance because, yeah, may result in a wedding here. Now, for others of you, I feel like it's like a two-part split, okay? So there's somebody from the past that they're hoping that you're going to keep an open mind about being with them, and they're hoping that you'll give them a chance when they come back in because they have been playing with the idea of marrying you. Like, they definitely want to be in a commitment with you. They envision marrying you, but right now they can't because they're in a codependent situation. Whether that's friends, family, more concerned with their career, whatever it is, another love interest, that's the issue. Now, for some of you, the person that I'm picking up that wants you to keep an open mind about being with them, they might be in some type of codependent marriage. And that might be the issue. Like, somebody could have possibly married a karmic soulmate, and I feel like they know that they want to get out. They know that they need to get out, but they're not out. You know what I'm saying? Like, some of them haven't started the whole divorce process. Some of them could be going through the process, but it's not finalized, you know? So that's the issue. Yeah. Let's just see, because like I said, it's a lot of y'all. So let's just see how this is going to play out. Okay, Spirit, stop. Bottom of the deck. Sorry for the glare. 10 of Cups reversed. So, that's what I was telling you. Somebody's in some type of family situation and they're trying to get out. But others of you, this person feels like they're not going to be able to have a family with you. But let's just see. Yep. There's an offer coming in for you. Because this person wants to show you that they've changed. But they feel like, yeah, they feel like you don't want to build with them anymore. Oh, he's going to balance. Okay. And then it's like they feel like you don't want to build with them. But I'm seeing that they want to be committed to you. They want to have a relationship with you. But this person is watching you. Okay. This person wants happiness with you, but they feel like you're not going to accept this offer from them. I'm pausing. And the reason why I'm pausing is because I feel like for some of you, somebody's pregnant. If they're not pregnant, there will be a pregnancy. Or there was a child that was born. Some of you guys, it's a little girl. Yeah, see? Because the way that even came out before I called it, it was a back and forth energy. This person's been feeling stuck in the situation. And they're going to free themselves out of it. But at the end of the day, they feel like the seeds that they planted with you, they're not going to grow. See? They got to speak their truth to you. Somebody could be dealing with a Libra. But they're trying to get out of something. Clarify? See, they don't have the strength to. Leo, you could be dealing with another Leo. Tell me more. Why is the Page of Pentacles here? I'm picking up two things. Looking at that. Yeah, right now, they're focusing on another situation that they put themselves in because they're trying to cut it off first. They are going to come towards you, give you an offer. They're going to be very direct with you about what's going on because ultimately they want to have that new beginning. But see, there's a mother figure or a mother, there's someone blocking. And so this person's made a decision, but look at that. I have 2 men. So I feel like the person that I'm picking up on, guys, this person is afraid that if you haven't moved on, you're getting ready to. Because you see, even if this isn't like a mother or a mother figure, because I just heard switch, this could be representing you, and then you have 2 guys on the outside of you. Y'all know with my court cards, it could be 2 women, but I feel like you're going to be in the middle, and you have to make a decision between 2 people. And that's why I was telling you guys in the beginning, you have somebody else coming in. So if you haven't already met this person, there's somebody else coming. And I feel like this person, they're picking up on it, and they're going to have a hard time, see? Because they're afraid things aren't going to improve because there's somebody else in the picture. Oh, y'all got options. There are 3 men. What is happening? Okay, Leo, so I see what y'all doing this summer. So, regardless, y'all have options, okay? And I feel like this person, it's like they know they have to come back and say something to you. They got to be confident, but the thing is they move so slow, it's not even funny, and they forced your hand. You had to move on because they decided to stay stuck in some type of situation or they want to play games. See, and so they're back and forth with the 4 of Pentacles and the 5 of Cups. So that lets me know, yeah, there is a situation going on with them. It does involve finances because somebody did take a financial, sorry, I'm picking up on something. Somebody did take a financial loss, or they will be taking a financial loss once they decide to move away from whoever they've been dealing with, whether it's friends, family, career, love, whatever it is. If they do have a child with someone, they do want things to improve with you, but they have to get out of this energy. See, the devil just tried to jump out. Okay. So they're going to listen to their intuition. Somebody could be dealing with a Scorpio, but they're hesitating putting an end to a situation. I feel like it's with this other person. Tell me more. Yeah, this person is sad. They're sad, and they're having a hard time right now because they want to have a new beginning with you. Clarify the Empress. But they stabbed you in the back. Somebody's pregnant. Somebody's pregnant. Because, see, okay. I'm sorry, y'all. Oh, Lord, I'm picking up a lot. Okay. Alright, so look. I'm going to tell y'all something. This is not for everybody. So if it's for you, you'll know it, or you've been having a feeling. Somebody's pregnant, okay? Whether it's you, a love interest, but whoever, the love interest on the other person's end. Whoever is pregnant, I'm getting this feeling somebody's getting ready to get an abortion, or there was an abortion that was done. Now, the thing is, let's just say, okay, I'm going to give y'all a scenario. So, let's just say you're a female, right? And the past person's a guy, and they basically were dealing with another woman, right? And this woman ended up pregnant. Now, we ain't going to go into if it's, your past person or somebody else they were cheating on with, but that's neither here nor there. Let's just say she was pregnant, okay? Now, she got pregnant. So, she could have had an abortion, or she's been contemplating and thinking about having this abortion because, one, she's like, okay, I don't know who the daddy is, so, let me play it safe, and I'm going to get rid of this child. So, by her doing that, I'm feeling like somebody is being sneaky about it. So, they're not telling your person that they're going to have an abortion. They're just going to either go have the abortion and just, of course, not have sex with them for a while. They're going to back away, or it's a situation to where they're going to tell them they're pregnant, but then realize, well, damn, I don't know who daddy is, and then get the abortion and then play it like it's a miscarriage. This shit is messy, okay? It's messy. So, Because I didn't even see, I wasn't even looking, the devil. Somebody's trying to keep someone stuck. You see what I'm saying? So, that's not for everybody, okay? That's why I keep getting quiet, because I'm picking up a lot. That's not for everybody. That's the main thing I'm picking up for someone here. For others of you, I just feel like this person wants to have a new beginning with you. They want to heal, you know, things with you, because they know that they messed up. So they're coming out of being frustrated, but see, every time they want to come towards you really fast, they don't make a move at all. See, because they're afraid they're not going to be able to turn things around. Okay. Ooh, Leo, Lord. Okay. So I'm seeing that this person wants things to improve. Look at the Hierophant jump right on top of the High Priestess. So yeah, somebody's dealing with, this could be a twin flame situation, or really strong soulmate connection. But I feel like this person, they're afraid you don't want to be with them. You don't want to have a commitment with them. And for a small percentage of you, I told you, I feel like somebody is married. Somebody has to get out of some type of marriage. Tell me more. Yeah, see, they have a family with someone else. Or it's like somebody that they were committed to in a relationship from the past. And this is why they're not basically putting in the work with you just yet. See? They know that they broke your heart and they're upset about it. But see, they feel stuck in this third party situation. Yes, they want to have a new opportunity with you. And they're making plans to come towards you. But see, they want to balance things out. This person will have the courage to ask you out. Because look, they love you. I told you, this is a soulmate or a twin situation I'm picking up on. Somebody could be dealing with a Taurus. Somebody could be dealing with a Gemini. But they did leave you out in the cold, whoever this is. And they want to make it right. But they're frustrated right now. There's the Wheel of Fortune. Clarify the wheel. Look at that. They're manifesting something new. It's like this person wants to move forward with you, but they have to make a decision. See, and it's like, this person, I told you, somebody is worrying about their money, but at the end of the day, whoever I picked up on that they were dealing with, they're holding on to them. They are. See, it's some type of family situation, home living situation, whatever it is. See, and she holding a coin. Then I just said, y'all gonna listen to me one day. There's somebody here. See, this person has to get out of a family situation. I told you. And that's why they're not talking to you. They're not talking to you right now. Okay. They know that they were being immature and childish, and they want to have I feel like they want to have a victory with you, but they want to have a victory with the other person, meaning, let's just say it's a love interest, right? And let's just say they have a child with them. They want to make sure, okay, I'm going to leave this situation, but I'm trying to balance it out. I want us to be able to co-parent. But the other person, I don't feel like he or she's going for that. So, it's a little iffy. But let's just say if it's family, right? And it's a family member that they've been helping out financially, and they've been having to give to this person. You know, and they're like, well, I know I have to remove myself. I need to set boundaries with, you know, this family member. But at the end of the day, they're still family. And yes, I'm going to come back towards Leo, and I want to work it out with Leo. But at the end of the day, this is family. I want to try to see if I can balance this thing out. But whoever this person is, they're making it very difficult for your person to do it. It's like this other person is making them choose if it's family. See? But the truth is going to come out. Yeah. This person's worried about their money. They're not financially stable. And see, they're losing hope. I told you, it's because of this person. And they know that they hurt you. Somebody could be dealing with an Aquarius. Somebody could be... Yeah. Sorry, y'all. Pause. I heard Aquarius twice. That's why I'm like, somebody's definitely dealing with Aquarius. Cross-watcher, maybe you're an Aquarius, or somebody has Aquarius in their chart. But I just heard it twice. So, anyway, somebody could be dealing with a Pisces. But I'm seeing that this person, they're listening to their intuition because they know that they're going to have to move fast. But they're stuck trying to make this decision because, yeah, they did have you waiting around. And they don't want you to walk away. But right now, they're not talking. It's little to no communication. This person's afraid that your guard is up and they're afraid you're going to go off on them. Could be dealing with a Virgo. This is why they're isolating themselves. Somebody could be dealing with a Sagittarius. They didn't balance things out, and they know it. Somebody could be dealing with a Cancer. Good Lord. Somebody could be dealing with an Aries. Okay. It's like they're not moving forward right now because, yes, they want stability with you. Yes, they're going to take a leap, but they're trying to make sure they can get this other situation under control. See, they don't want to, they've been arguing with someone on their end. And it's like, one, when it comes to you, they don't want to argue with you, but they also need to get out of their head. And see, they're having a hard time because a lot of regret. See, they're trying to clear away these obstacles, you know, even though they're frustrated. Why is the devil here? Somebody could be dealing, okay. Somebody could be dealing with a Capricorn. Clarify the devil. Yeah, it's fear. They're saying they're going to have the confidence to come towards you, but the thing is they're stuck going back and forth making a decision. See, they got to make a decision. But they're frustrated that they lost you for good, and they want to balance things out with you, but they're still giving to this other person, or they're going to have to. Okay. So let's see what advice I have for you. Bottom of the deck, you have the Page of Cups. So you definitely have an offer coming in for you. Yeah, I saw all them people. So anyway, I see that you guys are just moving on. You are no longer looking back. Yeah, you freed yourself. You're not frustrated. You're out of your head. You're like, not overthinking this, because you guys realize the truth about the situation that you were in. And see, I told you, you freed yourself. That's why you're no longer looking back. You're like, nope, I'm good. And you finally have a peace of mind. See, look, 2 9s. You got, this was a lesson, guys. That cycle you've been going through with this individual, it's done. It's wrapping up. You know, look, ooh, y'all look up angel number 999. Look at that. Oh, wow, y'all. Oh, I'm so proud of you, Leo. I'm so proud of you. You got, okay, wow, yeah, 999. Some of you guys could have been seeing that number, but yes, y'all definitely have been wrapping this up. And what's interesting, there's a 10. It's completion. It's done. The thing is, you didn't see things improving with this person because they kept stabbing you in the back. Didn't I just say completion? There's another 10. Oh my God. Leo, I am so proud of y'all. Y'all put an end to this. Even though some of you guys are still having a hard time, you had to put an end to it. See, I told you, you guys are having a hard time. You're upset. You know, it's like, you forced my hand. I had to. See, Leo, it's like you didn't, but you don't have the strength to deal with this anymore. You had to put an end to it. See, you're like, okay, the way the Empress came out, it's like you're basically saying, I don't want a new beginning with this person. But then you're kind of saying, I still do. There's some hesitation with that card. See, it's like things are moving slow, okay? But guess what, Leo? You walked away. Leo, you walked away. Leo, you walked away.